Hi, I will share how to make meat and shrimp wonton today, and 6 ways to make wonton. Welcome to Jemma channel. Chop the shrimp, keep part of the granularity. Mix evenly. Mix evenly. Add 100 ml of water divided twice. Stir well to make the meat tender and tighter. Start make wonton. The first type, dip the water on the one side. For the filling in half, one corner is stained with water. Open it up and bend back and pinch it tightly. The second type, put the filling and fold the diagonal corner to the center. The fourth part continue to fold inward. One corner is stained with water. The third type, put the filling and fold two diagonal misalignments. One corner is stained with water. The fourth type, put the filling in half. Hold the edge and fold inward. Finally, hold it tight. The fifth type, put filling well or the skin close in the middle together. The sixth type, put the filling well, 5 fingers close in the middle. Pinch and pull out the trough. When the water boils, add wonton. And hold water in the bowl. Sprinkle sesame seed and scallion in the end. Please try. Share it and tag me. If you have any questions, leave a message in the comment. Follow my channel to watch a video and first time. Thanks for subscribing and watching. See you soon.